Banks are not your friends. They are businesses. And their most profitable product is not a savings account or a mortgage. It is your debt. Every credit card swipe, every car loan, every buy now, pay later purchase. The system is designed to keep money flowing out of your pocket and into theirs. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on exactly how the debt trap works and how to escape it, how debt works against you. Here is what most people do not realize. Debt does not just cost you money, it costs you time, freedom, and opportunity. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could have been invested. A $5,000 credit card balance at 20% interest, paid off over 3 years, costs you nearly $1,700 in interest alone. That is $1,700 that did not go into an index fund, did not go into a business, did not go into your future. It went to the bank. And the bank designed it that way on purpose. The minimum payment trap. The most dangerous weapon banks have is the minimum payment. It feels manageable, it feels responsible, but it is a trap. If you have $10,000 in credit card debt at 19% interest and you only make the minimum payment every month, it will take you over 28 years to pay it off. And you will pay more than $16,000 in interest on top of the original balance. You borrowed $10,000 and paid back $26,000. That is how the system works. That is how banks profit from your financial stress. Lifestyle debt versus investment debt. Not all debt is equal. There is a difference between debt that makes you poorer and debt that can build wealth. Consumer debt, credit cards, car loans, personal loans, buys things that lose value the moment you purchase them. This is bad debt. It drains your income every month and gives you nothing in return. Investment debt, like a mortgage on a rental property or a loan to start a business, can generate income and build equity over time. The wealthy avoid bad debt aggressively. And when they do use debt, they use it as a tool to acquire assets, not to fund a lifestyle. How to escape. Here is your escape plan. First, stop adding new debt immediately. Cut the habit before you cut the balance. Second, list every debt you have, the balance, and the interest rate. Third, attack the highest interest debt first while making minimum payments on everything else. This is called the avalanche method, and it saves you the most money. Fourth, every time you pay off a debt, redirect that payment toward the next one. Your momentum builds, your freedom grows. And fifth, once you are out, stay out. Build an emergency fund so that life's surprises never push you back into debt again. The debt trap is real, but it is not permanent. Every dollar of debt you eliminate is a dollar that can start working for you instead of against you. You built this, and you can dismantle it, one payment at a time. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, share it with someone drowning in debt, and subscribe for more weekly content on building real lasting wealth. I will see you in the next one.